Open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your story from the top left corner to create a new Instagram story. From your gallery, choose a photo from October which you want to post with the sticker. Now tap the sticker icon at the top. You will see a list of stickers. Select Add Yours. Now write your October dump. Then press Done from the top right corner. You can resize the sticker and place it anywhere on the screen by dragging. And when you are all done, you can share your story. Your story has been updated. Check this out. When other people see your story, they can also add their own photo by tapping Add Yours on the sticker. So in this way, you can do the October dump photo trend on Instagram.